My people, no be small thing o. They say that Peter Obi and other Igbo politicians have stone trade fair to see what damage the Yorubas, the Lagos government have done to Ndi Igbo. But I'm still asking this question. Is that mean that these infrastructures you guys are putting in Lagos, we cannot have trade fair in Anambra, trade fair in Imo State, trade fair in Ebonyi? Make it mega, make it massive. I know that we are having problem of seaport, yes. So many things, but we can do it on our own since the government choose to stone on Ndi Igbo. So let us rise and build Ali Igbo in a way that even though you're in Lagos, you would like to visit. You would like to come there. People would like to come there. So all these things is too much. All this insult is too much. Could you imagine? Now they have gone to the market and find that the canal is still far from the house, and there can be a chamber that will only hold this canal even from penetrating to the buildings. But still yet, they neglect this thing and enter inside the market and start destroying the properties of Ndi Igbo in Lagos. My people, watch these full videos. Not only in trade fair, in mandalas, in so many parts of Lagos, even in Lekki. Just watch this video before we come back and continue. Stay tuned.
It's the arrival of a good Ndi Igbo. People lead the interact. It's okay with us. Nobody take with that. Our girl. I will know what we to make us arrive. They come to verify with their eyes or what they saw on the social media and the television.
Yes. This is one of the years. We started from here. Ayaka.
You can see for yourself the damage that they caused.
Was it built on the canal? No, not at all. No, not at all. Well, we can walk across and then see whether the canal is big enough.
Now they want to verify truly if the building was constructed on top of the canal. Oscar Odogu. You can see to yourself that the canal is very, very far away from the buildings. It's very clear.
I know that they've not even done the embankment.
And they're supposed to do embankment.
Yes, we did the embankment ourselves. Yes. Government should do the embankment. Exactly. They've not done that.
But the line is distinct. The canal line is distinct. Clear? No building is on top of the canal.
Another one.
They incoming governor. The incoming governor.
We moved on.
This building is condemned by their own action.
By their own action.
This should go down.
Assim que valeu o presidente da Copa
The Ajolo Fabialo Bundala. One of the Ajolo Halo. You can see to yourself the sitting president Senate with the good and Igbo.
Wash it back.
They leveled this building down. Two-story building, they pull it down.
Look at the gap. The gap to canal.
So all this thing went down. All this line. There is a new construction.
Yes. No. They brought it down.
They brought it down.
Yes, completely.
So
No, actually,
No, okay. No. If there is another way, let's
If I know Panobo started, it went the mother, Ajolo, the Lagos State, the Alo, not trade fair. Makanaga, Wajolo, Kadialo, Panyamukino, Halo Rajolo, I depend that I disgrace. Akwandi Bonebe, Ndi Bumuna Yagepo Nante, Inanya for our sitting senator, Victor Ume, Ojukwana Bobia, with the Okutendibo, HE, Peter Obi, Adiano, where here in the Bojibri, Abari Benoquia, not to Tondozi.
they're functioning for the back. Yes.
Yeah. One of the Ajolo had the Alo.
Tola, let's go.
We are still going.
Yes. Let him be more. Shift the motor. Hey, try this motor, come on. Hey, go back. Who gave this motor?
They will come.
Yeah.
Look at them.
Yes, this road will block through.
They know. They will do that. Honorable.
Let's move.
There's another build there. Plenty. Okay, but na ganga media service here they were there on the enemy star. Ihe niile ndị Igbo ji biri nsarize ka abịa na ha anụghị akwụ ụmụnne fa maka ndị na-ada emepe ọnụ na-ekwu na Igbo nwere nwanne na Igbo nwere nwanne na Igbo nwere eze nwanne Igbo nwere eze Igbo nwekwa nwanne maka na ihe mere ụbọchị taa tụrụ m n'anya Peter Obi nọ live na trade fair Peter Ume nọkwa live na trade fair Abaribe nọ live na trade fair ndị agha bụ ekwu okwu ndị Igbo gee ntị ha ncha nọ the incoming governor of Lagos State under the Labour Party ọ nọkwa na trade fair. I come president. So I see. Honorable, ịkwụ n'ọkụ kwụsị ike chika dịrị ebe anyị ga-echekwa ebe ndị obodo abịa alụ ajọ ọlụ ebe ndị obodo alụrụ ajọ ọlụ ebe alụrụ ajọ ọlụ alesi anya na fewere ji eje n'ọfịa jee goru ndị Igbo developụ ha echighekwa one of the ajọ ọlụ ndị obodo alụrụ na-ebi ajọ ọlụ ha lụrụ no verse ihe ọ dị ajọ ọlụ one of the ajọ ọlụ ha lụrụ dị ya ina na-efu na mbata bụ Honorable Ngozi Chukwu ga-emechebe nyanwa na-elebi the Emperor mmiri ọma na-ekwu Sentino the President Flowers nye akụ nwafọ Oscar Odogwu Sport.
President, there is in Kenya for this one. No reason. On a canal.
No building here without approval from management board.
Do you have copies to show the media now?
Already I have shown you yesterday. We have copies. We would like to have the copies. We will give it to you.
No, yeah, we have to do and then of course get the federal government to react because they themselves are the owners of this.
Yes.
Not the state government.
Not the state government.
Even who demolished it are from Lagos State government. Yes. Not from
the commissioner
from the federal government.
The commissioner of Fiscal planning. Yes.
Lagos State government.
Lagos State.
So is that Obanekoro?
No, not Obanekoro.
Okay. Right?
Yeah. And they always took us on our way.
Did they write any letter?
Nothing.
No. Did not receive any communication from them before they came with their bulldozer.
No, they have done this before. There was a reference. Losma first came to this thing, block the whole gate, 7 days. We partnered with them and they released it, thinking that everything will be in order. Next is during the time of last year now, they really came here and met people, our task force, on their coming. The reaction when they saw that our task force was this, they
They shot the tire of the executive director.
Right.
And left. Is he director of the trade fair management board?
Yes. They shot our tire.
They shot our tire. This time around, what did the federal government do? Nothing.
Legend at the town hall. This one they did broad daylight.
Broad daylight.
The demolition. That one, they demolished so many buildings. Yes.
Address address. Oka bukwa dia njọ ọrụ ndị alụrụ ka na-enene maka na the same thing. The went inside. You can see that no Dubai will so everything they went inside. They came in their lights. Just were like when they have already played their goods. This man may count a lot of losses. Another one down there.
Around. Maybe it was around years ago. It was around. I
Obi nwere ego. Ke ko bi dịga obi anyogogo. Ogo si na ndị Igbo nwekwa mmadụ kwa. Maka ekwu na ndị Igbo nwere mmadụ. Mana ihe metata gosi na ndị Igbo nwere mmadụ. Easy. Easy. Okay, balls. Okude Jova fit. He's here. See to yourself. This is money. It's part of our things for us. Just let him
That's what we simply
I will approval from federal government before you build any simple thing. Thank you. Federal Minister of Works or Trade Fair Complaint Management Board? Yeah. Trade Fair Complaint Management Board. Yes. Yes. The Federal Minister of Works? Yes. They work over there. Yeah. Look, we are doing everything there through their own instruction. They are doing everything here through the instruction of management board, because they are the executive office of the federal government that is here, which are here since 1977. Because this place was unveiled in 1977. Our lease agreement is 50 years and 99 years. Yes. And what happened now? We are confused. Where are these people since 1977 to today for is the 25th, which is about 8 years.
There hasn't been any legislation.
No claim, no disturbance. Anything you must do here, management board must know about it.
So what the management board say about this now?
Management are still saying they are surprised. They don't have any pre-notice that this thing is happening. But they said that they already invited the woman to come.
Who said that?
The commissioner.
Lagos State.
They invited the woman in two occasions.
Who is woman?
That is the executive director. Mrs. Vara.
So what's the management board?
Yes.
What did he say about that?
He denied vehemently yesterday there was no invitation.
There was no invitation. And even when the ED was explaining to them that they don't have any rights to come here to mark any building or neither to demolish anything without her pre-notice, they went ahead and marked the federal government ED office
In her presence.
Yes, in her presence.
I have a question. I spoke with the president about Fox. He said you people they shot him on. Why are you
Yes.
And they shot someone on the leg too.
After that shooting of this thing, we find out this is something we cannot contain without going to court this thing. So we went to court. And even that court now, they have not been determined before they come for this one. We're in court with
in court as they still came.
Yes.
They shot somebody.
They shot somebody.
Yes.
Yesterday, the guy came and showed the.
The lowest president, Senti Baba, signboard Nike, Ingwekwaya. Okay, Kaisari.
Sure, I'm a profuga.
I'm going to know. I'm going to know. I'm going to go. Nwanne anyị na-aga ngarube ka ije gosigasị ndị nwanne anyị nwoke bụ HE Peter Obi with the Senator Victor Ume and Senator Abaribe. Ajọ ọlụ ndị obodo abịa alụ ndị gbajisi ego niile ndị anyị ga-azụ abịa alụcha ụlọ fetikpo mgbanwe laa na-ele nara ego fetikpo etikpo.
Side is blocked. You can go this side. Huh? Let people can come like this. Okay, this side is blocked. Oh, yes. You are right.
Much traffic this side on this side.
Okay, then let's walk down and enter the vehicle.
So come here, so go to the management side.
You were to go there. They go guy. They call me president.
Let the vehicles come. Let the vehicles come here. Let the vehicles come here. Hi, president.
The incoming governor, and they see you.
Go one side.
Low, yes, low. In which Kunagota, Secretary Stakeholders, President Anazu, Secretary Stakeholders, President our President.
Hold on.
This one is leading. Let him be at the front.
This way you pass. This one will overtake you, so I will show the plate.
Inwe chukwe so mu na moto.
Go.
ngwa nke a bụ section 1 so na ka je na section 2 ebe akurisi na Sambisa anyị ebe na section 1 go data tina phone gị nke som onye ka na report gwa n'ụbọchị taa bụ ngwachukwu kwere bụ the Ganga chief priest ambụdagwo.
Wow, Mandela's this morning. Mandela's this morning. Wow. This one a massacre. These people not a laugh for today being Monday. 28, I'll be waiting 28 September. Italo? Yes, updates.
My people, you don't see them now. See people, millions going down. You know, as they're breaking this thing now, it will look like say they're pushing down sand block house. For this thing now, for many years of suffering, many years of tearing. Both some of them are not even in Nigeria, some of them are abroad. All this house, all here from here, reach or express, all of them are going down. Before you buy any property in Lagos, the thing to us, make sure that you do all the documentation. Don't be in a hurry. Rather let that money be with you. Don't be in a hurry. Nobody hurry you. It's better the money there in the bank wasted. Because they say money in the bank is a waste. You better use the money, go and do investment. Government investment. Like there are many of them. Mutual fund, the whole of thing. Then millions going down like this. You know how much that's going down here. You don't understand. You paying.
Do you know that after this demolition, they collect this property from Igbos, they will sell it to the Chinese? This is what the Yorubas are doing to Igbo man because they say that Lagos is their land. My people, share this video, you get why.